Good evening, my dear friends. Welcome to Tenali Pathshala. So, in the morning class, we have talked about the 1 mark and 2 mark questions of Redox reaction. So, if you have not seen that, the link is given in the description. First, go through that, then come to this one. So, in this video, we are going to talk about 100% fixed question for 3 mark from the Redox reaction chapter. Either it may be a midterm exam or it may be a annual exam. Yes, guys, let us discuss. So first question I have taken here, balance the following redox reaction by oxidation number method. So to balance the redox reaction, usually you are having two methods. One is oxidation number method, another one is half cell reaction method. Okay, so in first we'll talk about oxidation number method. In that, acid media one example, basic media one example, then two examples are given to you as a homework. Then we'll move on to the oxidation, that is cell half reaction, half cell method that we are going to discuss, right? So let us discuss starting from redox reaction balancing by oxidation number method. See the question given to you guys. Cr2O7 2 minus, SO3 2 minus give rise to Cr plus 3 SO4 2 minus. So they are asking in acid medium. So we have to balance this redox reaction. So again, 4 steps are there, guys. Simple, I will take simple text steps. Step 1. What you have to do? Find out oxidation number of each atom in the given reaction. See, CrO7 2 minus is there. First we will talk about oxidation number. Already you know it is always minus 2. First we have to calculate oxidation number of Cr. Yes. So let us say Cr we don't know. X plus 7 oxygens are there. 7. 1 oxygen oxidation number is always minus 2 is equal to overall charge is how much? Minus 2. So X plus minus minus 7 2s are 14 is equal to minus 2. Then X equal to minus 2 minus 14, if you take that side it becomes plus 14, plus minus minus. So how much you are getting? Plus minus minus 14 minus 2 is 12. And very importantly here they have given Cr2. Cr2 means 1 Cr we have considered as X, 2 Cr means 2x 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 2x, like this you are getting. Correct, because 2 Crs are there. No, 1 Cr oxidation number is X and 2 Cr oxidation number is 2x. We want X, take 2 that side. So 2 1s are 2 6s are. How much you got? Plus 6. Oxidation number of Cr plus 2 in this is plus 6. Similarly calculate for SO3. S in SO3. And again we want S. Keep S as X. 3 oxygen atoms are there. 1 oxygen atom will always carries minus 2 is equal to overall charge is minus 2. X plus minus minus 3 2s are 6 equal to minus 2. Correct. So X minus 6 you take that side, minus 2 plus 6. So how much you are getting? Plus 4. How much you are getting, guys? Plus 4. Sulfur oxidation state. Then similarly Cr plus 3 is already they have given. Cr nothing is there in above charge plus 3. That means its oxidation state is plus 3 only. So for SO4 minus, yes we have to calculate. Again yes we have to calculate means keep as X. Oxygen, how many oxygens are there? 4. 1 oxygen charge is minus 2 is equal to overall charge is minus 2. So how much you are getting, you see guys? X plus minus minus 4 2s are 8 is equal to minus 2. X equal to minus 2. Minus 8, if you take that side it becomes plus 8. So how much you got? Minus plus minus 8 minus 2 means 6. You will get larger number sign as a plus 6. So oxidation state of sulfur in this case is plus 6. Carefully see guys. From here to here, Cr is there in plus 6 state. Cr is there in plus 3 state. Means plus 6 to plus 3. There is a decrease in oxidation number by 3 units. That you have to write. So what is that? Decrease. Decrease in oxidation number by how many units? 3 units. Correct. And sulfur is there in plus 4 oxidation state. Here sulfur is there in plus 2 oxidation state. So decrease or increase? increase, yes, increase in oxidation number by how many units? 2 units, because plus 4 to plus 6, 2 units, plus 6 to plus 3, 3 units decrease, 2 unit increase. I hope you followed. So increase in oxidation number is called oxidation. So chromium plus 6 to plus 3, it is decreased, hence this is reduction, and sulfur plus 4 to plus 6, it is increased, hence it is oxidation. Increase in oxidation number, oxidation. Decrease in oxidation number, reduction. That you have to find out by first step. Simple is that. So just once you understood how to calculate the oxidation number, in the morning class also we have discussed how to calculate oxidation number of different element in different compounds. Right? Once you got the oxidation number, it is easy to find out which is undergoing oxidation, which is undergoing reduction. The oxidation number is decreased, reduction. Oxidation number is increased, oxidation. So chromium undergo reduction, sulfur undergo oxidation. This much you understood. Yes. So step 2. What you have to write in step 2? Carefully see, guys. First I will rub all these things. How we got, you understood? No, oxidation numbers. Yes. First I will rub that and then we will write it. What is happening in this case? See, guys. See. First I will write the first half reaction, that is Cr2O7 2 minus, which is converted into how much? Cr plus 3. Now second one, SO3. This is step 2, guys. Carefully see. Step 2. Okay. So second one is SO3 2 minus 2 SO4. SO3 2 minus 2 SO4 2 minus. See, plus 6 to plus 3. 3 units decreased. So here how many units decreased? 3 units decreased. Here 2 units increased. So decrease in oxidation number is called what? Reduction. What it is called? Reduction. And here, what is the sulfur oxidation state? Plus 4. What is the sulfur oxidation state? Plus 6. So plus 2 increase. Increase in oxidation number is called oxidation. What it is called? Oxidation. So how much chromium is decreased, guys? 3 units. That 3 we have to multiply to sulfur. Following my point, multiply 3 to here. And how much sulfur is increased? 2. That 2 should be multiplied to here. Following my point. So chromium is increased by 3 units. That 3 multiplied to sulfur. And sulfur is increased, how much? Increased by 2 units. And that is multiplied to chromium. Sulfur increment is multiplied to chromium. Chromium decrement is multiplied to sulfur. Cross multiplication. Followed or not, guys? So yes, write down that equation. How much you got? Cr2 already it is there. Cr2O7. Here Cr is there. We have to multiply 2. But 2 already present here. Then in Cr2O7, already 2 Crs are there. Not necessary to multiply here. Directly what you are getting? Cr2O7 2 minus. Here 2 times we have to multiply. 2 Cr plus 3. Then what about here? It is multiplied by 3. Here also, here also. Tell me 3SO3 2 minus. And here 3SO4 2 minus. I hope you followed. So this is step 2. Step 3. Add both the equations. Step 3, what you have to do? Add both the equations. LHS, LHS you have to add. RHS, RHS you have to add. Cr2O7 2 minus is there. 3SO4, SO3 2 minus is there. Add up. So LHS, LHS you have to add. Cr2O7 2 minus plus 3SO3 2 minus. Give rise to RHS, RHS you add. SO4, 2 Cr plus 3, 3SO4 2 minus. 2 Cr plus 3 plus 3SO4 minus 2, or you can write 2 minus also, that is also correct. Followed. So we have got this one and we have added both the equations. We got this. Now calculate the charge, guys. Carefully see, calculate the charge. In LHS side, what is the charge on this above charge? Minus 2 plus minus 2 into 3, minus 6. So overall charge how much we got? Minus 2 plus minus 6. How much we got? Minus 8. Following or not? The overall charge is 2 minus here. 2 minus I have taken. Plus minus 2 into 3 minus 6. Plus minus plus 6 plus 2 8. Larger number sign is minus. Followed. Then go for RHS side. RHS. So what you are having, you see? Plus 3 into 2 plus 6 plus 3 into minus 2 minus 6. So plus 6 plus minus 6. You will get 0. That means in LHS side minus 8. RHS side 0. Then what to do? We have to balance the charge. How to balance the charge, guys? So that means in LHS side minus 8 is there. RHS side 0 is there. Then the LHS side should be 0. How to make it 0? Minus 8 becomes 0 only when it is added to plus 8. Correct? So LHS side minus 8 is there. We have to make it 0. How to make it 0? By adding plus 8. And how to add plus 8? You see the question, guys. They have given acidic medium. That means we have to add H plus. One H is carrying 1 plus. So minus 8 is there. We want plus 8. Then what to do? LHS side we have to add plus 8H plus. Followed. That is what step 3. Step 4. Balancing charge. Step 4. Balancing charge and balancing the number of oxygen and hydrogen. Carefully see. So you write down first. Cr2O7 2 minus plus 3SO3 minus 2. It gives rise to 2Cr plus 3. 3SO4 minus 2. Correct? So in this above step we got LHS minus 8. Then what to add here? 8H plus. Then charge is balanced. Correct? But what about the oxygen and hydrogen? That we have to check it. See, 7 oxygens are there. 7 oxygen I am counting. 7 plus 3 3s are 9. How much we got? 16 oxygen. Hydrogen how much? 8 hydrogens. This side 4 3s are. Oxygens are 12. Hydrogens are 0. That means LHS side is 16 oxygen. RHS side 12 oxygen. Then how much oxygen is required for RHS side? 12 is there, 16 is there. 4 oxygens are required. That means 4H2O we have to add. Simple. So what we got? 4H2O. Now count the oxygen. So this is same 16, 8. But what about this? 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 4 oxygen 16. 12 plus 4 oxygen how much? 16. You see 4 2s are 8. 0 plus 8 hydrogen 8 hydrogens. Is that balanced, guys? Yes. So this is a balanced chemical equation in this case. How much we got then? What is the answer for this question? Cr2O7 2 minus 3SO3 minus 2 8H plus 2Cr plus 3 3SO4 minus 2 and 4H2O. So this is what, guys? Balanced chemical equation for the given question, guys. I hope you followed. First what you have to do, just I will repeat, carefully see, guys. First whatever the given equation is there, you have to write it. First step, we have to find out oxidation number of each atoms. Then show reduction and oxidation half reactions, which will decrease the oxidation number that undergo reduction, which will get increase in the oxidation number that will undergo oxidation. In this case, Cr is plus 6, Cr is plus 3. From here to here, plus 6 to plus 3, it is decreased. How many units? 3 units. So decrease in oxidation number by 3 units, hence it is called reduction. Yes, plus 4 oxidation state. Yes, plus 6 oxidation state. From here to here, plus 6, 4 to plus 6, increase in oxidation number by 2 units. Therefore, it is oxidation. How much it is increased multiplied here? How much it is decreased multiplied here? Chromium decreased by 3, which is multiplied to sulfur. Sulfur increased by 3, 2, and it is multiplied to chromium. But chromium already having 2 chromium in the LHS side. Therefore, I am not multiplying anything here. In RHS side, only 1 chromium is there. I have multiplied 2. And what about sulfur? 3 I have multiplied. Here 3 and here 3. We got this one. Step 2, I hope you understood. In step 3, add both the equations. How to add? LHS side we have to add separately. RHS side we have to add separately. Cr2O7 2 minus, 3SO4 2 minus. That I have written. RHS side 2Cr plus 3SO4 2 minus. That I have written. Then third step you understood. So mainly in fourth step what you have to do? Balance the charge and balance the number of hydrogen and oxygen. How to balance? First you have to check the charge. So in LHS side overall charge is 2 minus and minus 2 into 3 minus 6. Minus 2 as it is, minus plus minus 6 I have written, minus minus plus 6 minus, so minus 6 minus 2 you will get minus 8. Similarly RHS side you see plus 3 into 2 plus 6, minus 2 into 3 minus 6, plus 6 minus 6 0. That means in LHS minus 8, RHS 0. Then how to balance? In LHS side we want 0. We are having minus 8. So minus 8 becomes 0 only when it is added to plus 8. So minus 8 is there, we want 0. So we have to add plus 8. So how to make it? So in the question they have given acidic medium, hence minus 8 to make a 0, we added 8H plus, because plus charges are there, no? So in the LHS side 8H plus we added. Followed. So when you add LHS side 8H plus, in RHS side there is no H. Therefore we counted the oxygen and hydrogen. 7, 3 to 9, 9 plus 7, 16 oxygen. In RHS side only 12 oxygen. To make it balance, in RHS side I have added 4H2O. So hydrogen is also balanced, oxygen is also balanced in LHS and RHS, and also charge is also balanced. Hence this is a correct equation for the given question. Balanced chemical equation. I hope you followed, guys. This is in case of acidic medium. Suppose you are having basic medium, then instead of adding H plus here, we have added OH minus in this side, RHS side. So that type of question also we'll discuss. I hope you understood. If you want to take a screenshot, you can take it, guys. Yes. Have you taken the screenshot? Yes. Next we'll move on to the second question in basic media. Yes, guys. Guys, this is the second question. Balance the following redox reaction by oxidation number method. MnO4 minus Br minus give rise to MnO2 plus BrO3 minus in a basic medium. So in first question we have taken, it is in acidic medium. This is in basic medium, guys. Yes, let us discuss again same thing, MnO4 to MnO2. First we'll calculate the oxidation number of Mn. You know Mn, let us say X. How many oxygen? 4 oxygen. 1 oxygen charge is always minus 2. Overall charge is minus 1. X plus minus minus 4 2s are 8 minus 1. X equal to minus 1 plus 8 and X equal to plus 7. So what is the oxidation number or oxidation state of Mn here? Plus 7. Here again you calculate for Mn X 2 into 1 oxygen charge is minus 2. Overall charge nothing is there, so you will write a 0. So X minus 4 equal to 0. Minus 4 you take that side, it becomes plus 4. So Mn oxidation state is plus 4. Plus 7 to plus 4. Hence decreased by how many units? 3 units. For Br already they have given minus 1. For here Br you calculate, we want Br, take Br as a X. 3 oxygen atoms are there. 3 into minus 2 is equal to, overall charge is minus. Correct. Plus minus minus. 3 2s are 6 equal to minus 1. You take minus and 6 that side. So minus 1 plus 6. You will get minus plus minus. 6 minus 1 is 5. You will get plus 5. So Br is here plus 5. Br is here minus 1. Minus 1 to plus 5. 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 6 units increased. Therefore, I written increase in oxidation number by 6 units. I hope you understood how to calculate the oxidation number. Already we studied in the first example also, and already we have studied in the morning class also. See, guys, let us discuss with the further part. So just I will rub this. I hope you understood how to get the oxidation number. This is step 1. Now tell me which is undergoing oxidation, which is undergoing reduction, guys. Comment below. So which is undergoing oxidation, which is undergoing reduction? The one who oxidation number increases. that is undergoing oxidation, and one whose oxidation number is decreasing, undergoing reduction. Now tell me, Mn plus 7 to plus 4, it get decrease in the oxidation number, hence it is undergoing reduction. Yes, that you have to write step 2. So just now we studied step 2. So you have to write MnO4 minus give rise to what? MnO2. So decrease in oxidation number, hence it is called a reduction, guys. Next, you take second one, Br minus give rise to BrO3 minus. So here minus 1 to plus 5, hence it is increasing the oxidation number, hence it is called oxidation. How much it is increased? It is increased by 6 units. And how much it is decreased? Decreased by how many? 3 units. Decreased by 3 units, increased by 6 units. So out of 3 and 6, which is larger? 6. You have to talk about the LCM of 3 and 6. Now tell me, 3 and 6 LCM is 3 ones are 3 twos are 1 7 2 ones are. So 3 twos are 6. LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. So here in decreased by 3 units multiplied by 2, because 3 twos are 6 and already it is 6. 6 ones are 6, because you see 6 into 1 6, 3 into 2 6, like that you have to do. Following my point, don't get confused. Whenever the two different numbers you are getting, you have to take a LCM of it. Then 3 units is decreased, so 3 twos are 6. 6 unit is increased, 6 ones are 6. Why you have to multiply 1? Because we want 6 LCM. Followed or not, guys? Yes. Then write the next equation. How much you got there from doing all these things? Simply, yes, MnO4. How to multiply here? 2 multiply here. So 2 into MnO4 minus 2 into MnO2. Multiply here how much? 1. Means again same equation. Nothing will be changing here. Br minus give rise to BrO3 minus. Correct? Okay. So what we got? Step 2, which is undergoing oxidation, which is undergoing reduction we got. And also we have written what is the suitable number to multiply there. Then what is the next step? We have to write adding both the equation. We have to write the one equation. Step 3, adding both the equation. LHS we have to add 2 MnO4 minus Br minus. How much we are getting? 2 MnO4 minus plus Br minus. Give rise to what? 2 MnO2. 2 MnO2 plus BrO3 minus. BrO3 minus. So by adding we got this. Then what is the next step? Balance the charge. Yes, calculate the LHS charge, guys. Left hand side minus is there, minus 1 into 2 minus 2 plus nothing is there, 1 into minus 1 minus 1. How much we got? Minus 2 as it is, plus minus minus 1 is 1, so minus minus plus, so you will get minus 3 as an answer. Calculate RHS also. See what is the charge here? 0 plus what is the charge here? Minus 1, so you will get minus 1. That means LHS is minus 3. RHS is minus 1. What to do? Both charge should be same. Both charge should be same. How to make it same? Here minus 3, here minus 1. See, in the question, they have given basic media. Basic media means OH minus, not H plus. If acidic media, H plus. Basic media, OH minus. Then we can add OH minus. Here minus 3 charge is there. Here minus 1 charge is there. Which side minus charge is less? In the RHS side. Means RHS side 2 minus charge is less. Then RHS side 2 OH minus should be added. I hope you followed. Write the equation again. 2 MnO4. This is step 4, guys. Last step. Step 4. Yes. MnO4 minus plus Br minus. Next, give rise to what? 2 MnO2 plus BrO3 minus. Now what I told, LHS side minus 3 charge, RHS side minus 1 charge. To make it equal charge on both sides, in RHS side what you have to add? 2 OH minus should be added. And why we are adding 2 OH minus, guys? OH minus is added because they have given in the question basic media. And 2 only we are adding because in the RHS side 2 minus charge is less. Followed? Yes. Now what is the last step we have to do here? Calculate the number of oxygen and hydrogen. Correspond to that, balance the hydrogen and oxygen by adding water. See, how many oxygens are there? 4 2s are 8. Oxygen atoms are 8. Hydrogen atoms are 0. This side we calculate the oxygen atoms. 2 2s are 4 plus 3. How much? 7. So here 8 oxygen is there. Here 7 oxygen is there. What about hydrogen here? 2 hydrogens. Wait. Here 2 2s are 4 plus 3 plus here 2 is there. No? Plus 2 oxygen total. Here 2 oxygens are there. 4 3 7 plus 9 oxygens. Hydrogen 2 hydrogens. 9 oxygen 2 hydrogens. Here 8 oxygen 0 hydrogens. That means in LHS side 2 hydrogens are less. Then we have to add H2O. Carefully see now. 8 oxygen plus 1 oxygen. How much? 9 oxygen. 2 hydrogens. You got equal. You have equated the charge also. You have equated the hydrogen number of hydrogens, number of oxygen. Everything is balanced now. So this is a balanced chemical equation they are asking for. I hope you are following, guys. So why we added 2OH minus, why we added H2O, you understood now? Why we added only one H2O? Because only 2 hydrogens are required in the LHS side. Therefore H2O is added. Followed? So this is in basic medium. Any doubts in this? No doubts. Yes, guys. Take the screenshot if you want. Have you taken the screenshot? Yes. Now, if you are getting any doubts in spite of explaining this much, please comment below. I will try to clarify your doubts. So this is second example, that is in basic media. Now we'll talk about one example from the half cell method. These are both the examples from the oxidation number method, and 99% they will ask in this method only, oxidation number method, either acidic media or basic media. So one example I will take for half cell reaction method also. Yes, first, this is the third question, guys. Balance the following redox reaction by half reaction method. MnO4 minus I minus give rise to MnO2 and I2 in basic medium. See, guys, this is in half reaction method they are asking. Then what to do? Everything is same. Second step is different. We'll see that. First step is same. MnO4 minus I minus MnO2 plus I2, the given equation. And already we have studied in the previous example, oxidation state of Mn in MnO4 minus is plus 7. Oxidation state of Mn in MnO2 is plus 4. So if you not getting this, already in the previous example I have discussed about this. Just you go through that. Yes, plus 7 to plus 4. So how much it is decreased? 3 units it is decreased. So decrease in oxidation number by 3 units. So decrease in oxidation number by 3 units means it is called a reduction. See, I minus, so charge is minus 1. Here I2, nothing is there means 0. So minus 1 to 0 means increase in oxidation number by 1 units. So in the previous examples we have studied, increase in oxidation number is called oxidation, decrease in oxidation number is called reduction. Right. So step 2 is different here. What is different? First you have to write reduction half cell reaction and oxidation half cell reaction with electrons involved. This is different step here. See in this method. So first MnO4 I will write MnO4 minus plus, MnO4 minus going to give rise to MnO2. Correct. So plus 7 to plus 4. Plus 7 to plus 4. So how much it is decreased? 3 units. So hence it is called decrease in oxidation number. Hence it is called a reduction. But how much it is decreased? 3 units. So if 1 unit is decreased, plus 1 to 0. How to make it? Minus 1 we have to add. Plus 1 minus 1 0. Plus 7 to plus 4. 3 units is decreased. That means 3 electrons are added. Very important. 3 units is decreased means 3 electrons are added. So plus 7 minus 3. How much? Plus 4. That is what this side. Clear? Yes. So in this is the reduction half reaction. Next we go for oxidation half reaction. See there I. So first I will write I minus give rise to what is given to you I2 and -1 to 0 increase in oxidation number by 1 units. Hence it is called oxidation. What it is called, guys? Oxidation. Now tell me, -1 to 0 means electrons are not added. Electrons are released. How many electrons are released? First I will write, see, carefully see. 2 iodines are there. So I will write here first 2. Because 2 iodines should be balanced. Now 1 iodine is releasing 1 electron. 2 iodines are releasing 2 electrons. Electrons are released. You can say electrons are lost. That is also called oxidation. Electrons are gained. That is also called reduction. Here electrons are gained, hence called reduction. Electrons are released, hence called oxidation. Now this is a different in this method. I hope you followed, guys. Now in the previous method, we are multiplying the numbers which are involved in the decrease or increase in the oxidation number. But here we are multiplying with respect to electrons. See here, how many electrons are there? 3 electrons. How many electrons are there? 2 electrons. Now 2 and 3 LCM we have to write. So how much you are getting? 3 into 2, 6 LCM you are getting. That means our aim is to make both side electrons same. Then 3 is there, how to make it 6? Multiplied by 2. 2 is there, how to make it 6? Multiplied by 3. Followed? So whole equation should be multiplied by 2. Multiply it. 2 into 1. So 2MnO4 minus 3 into 2. 6 electrons. 1 into 2. 2MnO2. Correct? Multiply here also. 3 into 2. 6 iodine minus. Give rise to 1 into 3. 3I2 plus 2 into 3. 6 electrons. I hope you followed, guys. This is a different step in this method. Now we got the equation. What is third step? Adding. Yes. Step 3 is adding the equations. Just go on adding it. You will get the answer. See, guys. First I will write again same thing. 2MnO4 minus plus 6 electrons. Give rise to 2MnO2. Second thing, 6 iodine minus give rise to 3I2 plus 6 electrons. Add it. These electrons get cancelled. What is remaining? 2MnO4 minus plus 6 iodine minus 2MnO2 plus 3I2. We are left with correct. So we have added. What is the last step? Same as that of previous. Balance the charge, balance the number of oxygen, balance the number of hydrogen. So first to go through that step, first I will calculate the LHS and RHS charges. Charges on LHS and RHS. See, -1 is there. -1 into 2, -2 plus 6 into -1, -6. How much you got? -2, -6 plus minus minus. Minus plus 6 to 8. You will get -8 charge. How much you got? -8 charge. Calculate RHS 0, 0. So 0 plus 0, how much you are getting? 0. That means in LHS -8 charge, RHS 0 charge. What is our aim? Our aim is to make it equal. So -8, 0. How to make it equal? So carefully see the question. In the basic medium is given, and I told you if it is a basic medium, we are supposed to add OH minus. Carefully see, guys, here -8 is there, here 0 is there. So we can make 0 to -8. How to make 0 to -8? By adding 8 OH minus. So RHS side 0 is there. If you want RHS side -8 means in RHS side we have to add 8 OH minus. Followed or not, guys? Yes, let us discuss. See, write the equation again. This is the last step. Step number 4. 2MnO4 minus 6I minus give rise to 2MnO2 plus 3I2. What I told, in LHS -8 charge is there, in RHS 0 charge is there. To make it -8, in RHS we are adding 8 OH minus. Then what is balanced now? Charge is balanced. But what we want? The number of oxygen and number of hydrogen should be balanced. Then calculate the number of oxygen. 4 2s are 8 oxygens are there. Hydrogens 0. This side, how many oxygens? 2 2s are 4 plus 8 1s are 8. Total 12 oxygen. Hydrogens are how much? 8 into 1, 8 hydrogens. So here 0 hydrogens. Here 8 hydrogens. 8 oxygens, 12 oxygens. How many oxygen we want? 8, 12. 4 oxygen is less in RHS side. So what you have to do? 4 water molecules are added. You will get the answer. 4 H2O. See, 4 2s are 8 hydrogens. Plus 4 means 12 oxygens. 12 oxygens, 8 hydrogens. It is balanced, guys. I hope you understood why we are adding 4H2O. Because in RHS side 12 oxygens are there. LHS side 8 oxygens are there. In order to make it 12, we have to add 4 water molecules. How much oxygens are less? That much water molecules are added. Automatically hydrogen is balanced. So this is what balanced chemical equation for the given question. So in this step, what is different, guys? Only in second step. If you want to take a screenshot, you can take it, guys. Have you taken a screenshot? Yes. Now this is regarding question number 3. So I will give you 3 questions for you as a homework. So you just solve it, guys, and comment your answer on the comment section. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. These are the 3 questions. Balance the following reaction by oxidation number method. Both the reactions are given in acid medium only. Third one, balance the following reaction by half reaction method in acid medium. So these 3 questions you have to do homework. So you comment your answer, guys. So honestly, you do yourself. If you are not getting, comment below. I will try in the next video. I will try to solve in the next video. So in next video, which chapter you want, that also you comment below, guys. And if video is helpful to you, please like the video and subscribe to channel, and please share among your friends. At least 10 friends you have to share, guys. Yes, guys. Thanks for watching. Thank you.